Oh, hi. Well, don't worry, I'm not going to give you any gardening tips here. It's just I'm wondering whether I should lay this pot on the table or I should lie this pot on the table. What do you think is the correct sentence? Confusing, right? Well, if you are also confused like this, then this is the video for you. All you have to do is continue watching my video. Hi, my name is Soumya and welcome to my channel. Let's chat and learn, because the more you chat, the more you learn. So finally, I laid the pot on the table and now we can move ahead in the video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now we can move ahead in the video. So the topic we have today is lay versus lie. So in this video, we will study the difference between lay and lie. Reason being, most of the people get confused between these two words because they think these words are related, and it is mainly because their verb forms are kind of similar, and which causes all the confusion between these two words. But today, all my dear friends, I promise you that all your confusions will be gone by the end of this video. So stay tuned. Now let's check out the meanings of these two words. So first of all, we have our word lay here. So lay means to put something down gently on a surface. Notice I said gently. That means you do not throw or drop something. You gently put something somewhere. For example, if I say I lay my purse on the table, that means I pick up my purse and I gently put it on the table. So I use I lay my purse on the table. Now our second word is lie. So lie means to be in a flat position or to put yourself in a flat position on a surface. So when you lie, you are in a flat resting position. You are not sitting or standing, right? You are in a flat resting position like this. So lie has one more meaning actually. It means to recline. To recline means you lie back on your chair or on your sofa like this. Maybe when you want to rest or you just want to take a nap. So you lie back on your chair and sofa and you rest. And lie has one more meaning, which is to not tell the truth. Alright, now that we know the meanings of these two words, so let's find out their verb forms to have a better understanding of these two words. So first of all, we have lay. So lay is the present tense form of the verb. And after that, its past tense form is laid. And its past participle form is laid again. So our first example is the nurse laid the baby in the bed. That means the nurse picked up the baby and gently laid the baby in the bed. Please lay my watch on the shelf. That means I am saying, please gently put my watch on the shelf. I have laid the kittens in the basket. That means I took the cute kittens and gently laid them in the basket. I asked the waiter to lay the table. Now I want you to focus on lay the table, because lay the table is also an idiom. It means to arrange the things on the table, such as knife, fork, plates, glasses, napkins, etc. before taking a meal. And one more thing is that we also use lay for the birds and animals who lay eggs. Who produce eggs. For example, I can say, my hen laid 5 eggs today. So now let's come back to our second word, that is lie. So lie is the present tense form of verb and its past tense form of verb is lay. What? Lay? Really? But trust me, this lay has nothing to do with that lay that we have just seen. that lay and this lay, they are completely different from each other. Okay, this is simply the past form of the verb lie. So its past participle verb form is lain. Quite irregular, right? Although both the verbs are irregular, but this is beyond irregular. So now let's quickly see some sentences to have a better understanding of this irregular verb. On Sundays, I like to lie on my sofa and binge watch Netflix. Well, I guess all of us like to do so, right? So, lie on my sofa means I place myself in a flat resting position on my sofa and I binge watch Netflix. I was feeling sick last night, so I lay awake. I lay awake, that means I lay in my bed, that means I placed myself in a flat resting position, but I was feeling sick, that's why I could not sleep. Again, let me remind you that this lay has nothing to do with that lay. That lay means to put something down, and this lay means to put yourself in a flat position. Next example is the dog had lain down with its puppies. So the dog was resting with its puppies. Now I have got a quick test for you. You can see two sentences over here. First is I blank space the books on the couch. Second is she blank space on the couch. What do you think we can put in these blank spaces? Is it lay, which is the past tense form of lie, or is it lay, which means to put something down? You can pause the video and think about the right answer. Well, if you are confused, then let me give you a quick tip. The word lay, which means to put something down, is a transitive verb. That means it always requires a direct object. And the word lay, which is the past tense form of lie, is an intransitive verb. That means it never requires a direct object. So let's quickly see where is our direct object. So if we see sentence number 2, so we have she blank space on, which is a preposition. That means we have no direct object here. And in sentence number 1, we have I blank space and the books, which is our direct object. So in the first blank space, we will put lay, that means to put something down. And in the second blank space, we will put lay, which is the past tense form of lie. So I lay the books on the couch, which means she gently lay the books on the couch, and she lay on the couch. That means she placed herself in a flat resting position on a couch. Now you must be wondering what difference it makes when both the lays have same spelling and same pronunciation. Maybe we can use them interchangeably. Well, maybe here you can, but let me tell you, you won't always be this lucky with its other verb forms. Let's see how. You can see two more sentences here. And let me tell you, these two sentences are kind of related to the ones that we have already discussed. But here I have changed their tenses. The first sentence is in the past tense form. So we will put laid here. She laid the books on the couch yesterday. And the second sentence is in the present tense form. So we will put lie here. She likes to lie on the couch, because you can lie down, but you cannot lie something down. You always lay something down. Now I know it must be getting very confusing for you, but trust me, I can feel your pain. So when you are this confused, the easy way to differentiate between these two lays is to first look for the direct object, alright, and then try to understand the context of the sentence, whether the sentence is telling you about putting something down, that is to lay something down, or whether the sentence is telling you about lying down, which is to place yourself in a flat resting position. And now this brings me to the end of this video, but don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I have an interesting exercise for you. So you just pause the video again, do the exercise and send the answers in the comment box. And I really hope that you have enjoyed watching this video, because I really did put a lot of efforts in making this video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.